Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing question number 6a. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answer in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, contact us today on our WhatsApp number, which is 90093688238. And the question number 6 is identify any two industries located in your nearby areas. Talk to elders in your family or in your neighborhood to find the reason behind location of these industries in your area, sources of raw material, market, etc. Now, on the basis of your findings, prepare a report on location of these two industries. This question is taken from the lesson 19, and we have to prepare this project and in the 500 words. If you need this, we have prepared of all the subjects. If you need this, contact us today so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.